Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to convert the decimal or integer numbers to the binary ones within the Scilab. So how we can do this conversion? First of all, we have to write certain binary numbers. Like here we will write, first of all we will write certain decimal numbers, that is like a is equal to 1, 2. So now we can see that this is our decimal constant number and we have given it to the variable I. So if we want to convert it to the binary, so we need to write DEC decimal to binary function. So this is our function which will convert decimal data to the binary one. As our decimal number is within this A variable, so we have written A here. Okay, so now we can see that it is 1100. So in this way we have converted our integer or decimal number to the binary one. One more example, like DEC to binary. This is our function, and if we want to convert our 9087 this number to binary, then we can press enter and we got this thing, that is 1011 and all this. So in this way we can convert our decimal numbers to the binary one in the Scilab. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.